Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video we're going to discuss the Bitcoin price action, where Bitcoin is right now still trading in a symmetrical triangle. As well, we will be discussing the important 35k level for Bitcoin, and as well we will be going into the 1 hourly time frame, what we are right now seeing, of course, a symmetrical triangle unfold. So this is going to be quite exciting. And as last, we will be as well going into the Bitcoin exchange net flows, because we are right now seeing once again a big party, or at least we are seeing huge amounts of Bitcoin going out of exchanges. And this is, of course, once again a bullish sign of accumulation. So guys, if this sounds interesting for you, if you are an holder of Bitcoin, I should highly suggest watching this video till the end. And if you haven't already, make sure to right away smash up the likes and let me know in the comment section what you guys think of these updates. And with that have been said here, guys, let's go right away into the video. So yeah, what are we seeing with Bitcoin? Guys, we have been yesterday as well making an update about this specific symmetrical triangle, and we were of course talking about this level to hold on here. Since then, of course, the supportive target has been holding on here, and we are right now still trading between these levels of support and resistance. We have been consolidating very beautiful between these levels, and we right now have to make a decision to either once again break out towards the upside again, or of course break lower. And this is going to have huge it will be of course resulting in huge moves, either up or down. So yeah, of course, guys, I have in the back of my mind, because we have been seeing a depth cross on the weekly, and people still are anticipating extreme low levels. Personally, I'm not anticipating it here, because there are several reasons for that, guys. If you want me to make a dedicated video about the depth cross, let me know in the comment section right here, because then I will be probably making a dedicated video about it and explaining my reasons why Bitcoin will be still rising towards higher levels, even though we have been seeing a depth cross. So yeah, we can be for sure going lower, but of course, guys, if we're going to retrace, we know we have imported levels of 30k below us, and that will be most likely holding us up as support. So yeah, if we're going to see a breakout towards the upside, this will be, of course, once again leading price towards the 45k, because this is, of course, the first retest that we are getting on the top side. But right now, since seeing a re-entry, I mean, the price target will be probably not so significant, but I mean, it will be still very important to either break out towards the upside or towards the downside to really call a direction for the price action for Bitcoin. And as well, guys, yeah, we are already pretty oversold right now on the 4 hour. What is, of course, giving me opportunities to rather go long than short here, because, yeah, personally, I do think as well, if we're going to decrease a little bit here, that we're only going to create more and more bullish divergence. So, yeah, it's going to be a quite exciting journey what we're going to have here for Bitcoin. So, let me as well discuss this important level of the 35k here for Bitcoin. So guys, in a minute I will be going into the 1 hourly time frame, because on the 1 hourly time frame we are seeing a very interesting pattern unfolding. But on the 4 hourly time frame, guys, we are still trading on support. And we have been discussing this level several times here around the 35k here, and I know that 37k is also a very important level, but 35k is never so less as well very important. You can see several times we have been finding support on this level, and right now we're doing the exact same once again here. And what is most likely going to happen here, if we're going to close below it, always also closing below it, guys, we're seeing at least big spikes towards the downside of an approximately, let me get this into the screen here, of an approximately, yeah, 10% drop off here towards the downside. So yeah, personally, I do think if we're really going to close the 4 hourly candle below this blue box here, the support will be not getting holding anymore, and we will be potentially see, of course, way lower prices getting reached here for the price action of Bitcoin. So yeah, that can be quite bearish, and that's of course a thing that I personally will most likely don't want to be seeing here, but of course it can be for sure playing out here if we're going to see this close below the blue box of support. So then as well, guys, we're having, of course, the Bitcoin 1 hourly symmetrical triangle. This symmetrical triangle is a quite significant one with a lot of touch points already, and this will be really resulting in another big move for Bitcoin getting created here in the immediate short term here. At least this is going to break out here in the coming, and I will be right away saying this to you guys, in the coming 10 hours at least. So today we're going to see a breakout for the symmetrical triangle, and guys, I would certainly love to play this one, and I will be for sure taking this trade as well on Femex. And of course, for all the people that are wondering, you can still join the Femex competition for another 16 hours here, so make sure to already go to the highest link in the description here, and of course go to Femex to as well join our team here at the Crypto Rover team here, and it will be amazing if you're going to join. So, and as well, guys, we will be taking these trades all together. And like we are going to see over here today, this breakout for this specific trade here is definitely one of these good setups here. So personally, I do think that we're going to rather see a breakdown than a break up here. But of course, in the end of the day, it really depends on which resistance we're going to break first. So are we going to break the support or are we going to break the resistance? That will be, of course, very important to call the direction. But it can be, of course, a potentially 4% move here. What can be, of course, helping us to push the prices up or you really benefit from the market move. But of course, we know in our back of our minds, guys, we have been seeing a move towards the downside getting created. And always, if you're seeing a move towards the downside getting created and you're creating a continuation pattern from a move towards the downside, it is more likely to see another breakdown of it as well. So yeah, we'll be for sure keeping my eyes on this potential scenario playing out here. I would love to see this one breaking out towards the upside, of course, as well, because we were seeing, of course, this bullish divergence over here, but this was already a thing that we were discussing yesterday. But yeah, for sure, we can still do both things here. A breakdown will be, of course, extremely bearish. We will be pushing down towards the 34K once again here. And, of course, if we're going to reach that target, we have to be reevaluating a little bit here. Potentially, we're going to create, of course, way more bullish divergences. And that will be still helping as well to, in the end of the day, still reverse the price back towards the higher levels again. So as well on Bitcoin, the 30-minute candles are also very significant. You can draw this symmetrical triangle as well differently on the 30-minute. If you're looking at the 30-minute, you can be, of course, drawing them a little bit more white here on the lower side. So yeah, we still have a lot of time to anticipate this breakout on. We will be for sure taking this breakout here. It's going to be a very exciting one. I do think we have a little bit longer here. Yeah, on this 30-minute chart, we have approximately 14 hours. But yeah, I do expect to see a breakout within 10 hours in my opinion. Because yeah, usually these patterns break out before reaching the apex. So yeah, it's highly suggest keeping your eyes out on it. And it will be, of course, trying to keep you guys as well up to date here on my Twitter page. And of course, if you haven't already followed me on Twitter, make sure to do so. It is at RoverCRC here. You can be following me right away here on Twitter. And of course, you will be staying up to date about all the updates that we are going to make for you guys. So as well, the last thing that I'm willing to discuss here with you guys is, of course, the Bitcoin net flow. I do think the net flow is very important for Bitcoin, and I do think you really want to be looking at it because, yeah, once again, yesterday we were seeing another 6.6K Bitcoin outgoing of exchanges, and this is, of course, signifying that people are locking in their Bitcoin and not willing to send them away here. And as long as people are accumulating, as long as we're only seeing these huge, these large amounts of outflows of exchanges, I will be bullish as well here because yeah, as long as people are accumulating, I will be on the right side here. And of course, these are not really digits of small people. I do think these are institutions that are as well accumulating, and these institutions are as well sending it away from the exchange. So yeah, it's going to be a quite exciting one here. We'll be holding on towards this one. But yeah, I mean, guys, you want to be knowing what the market is doing. You want to be knowing what the on-chain data is telling us. And I mean, once again, it is telling us that there is a lot of accumulation going around on these levels. So there's almost no selling going around over here. It's only more and more buying and accumulation. So guys, thank you so much for watching once again to this amazing quick update on the channel. Let me know what you guys want me to make a video on, because today I will be probably posting another 2 videos here. So make sure to keep your eyes on the channel and of course ring the bell notification if you're not willing to miss out on any updates here on the channel. So guys, without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.